Are you prepared to use Visual Studio Code to accelerate your Python development? We're exploring 5 crucial additions in this video that will increase your Python development productivity. These tools will save you time and effort regardless of your level of coding knowledge. Let's begin. Python. The first one is a must-have, the Python extension. This is a core extension that brings Python language support to VS Code, offering syntax highlighting, autocompletion, and linting. But it doesn't stop there. It also provides powerful debugging, code formatting, and unit testing support. If you're serious about Python development in VS Code, this one is non-negotiable. Python also helps with virtual environments and code analysis tools. Pylance. Next up is Pylance, an advanced language server that elevates your Python coding experience with precise type checking, code completion, and IntelliSense. With features like go to definition and find references, you'll be writing and navigating your code faster than ever. Pylance has become a fan favorite due to its performance and advanced type checking features. Jupyter Notebook. For those working in data science or machine learning, the Jupyter Notebook extension is a game changer. You can run notebooks directly in VS Code, manage code cells, and view rich output formats without leaving your editor. It's all the power of Jupyter, integrated seamlessly into VS Code. Jupyter Notebook is a must for anyone working in the data science space, seamlessly bringing notebook capabilities into VS Code. AutoDocstring. Writing documentation can be a pain, but with AutoDocstring, it becomes easy. This extension auto-generates docstrings based on function parameters and supports various docstring styles. Customizable templates make it even more versatile, helping you keep your code well documented and clean. AutoDocstring ensures your code is well documented and clean for future developers. Quokka.js. And while it's more focused on JavaScript, Quokka.js is great for Python prototyping too. You get instant feedback and inline evaluation, which is perfect for quickly testing code snippets and visualizing variable outputs. So, those are the 5 essential VS Code extensions every Python developer should have. Let me know in the comments which ones you're already using, or if there are any other extensions I should check out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.